Turn alarm off.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. Let's get into today's video. So each morning I have started by reading my 100 Days of Believing Bigger daily devotion. You guys, I absolutely love this daily devotion. I love it because each day it has a different topic and it's straight and to the point. They're not long, and then it also gives you like 1 or 2 questions to get you to think about and that you can write about to answer. And then at the bottom of it, it gives you a prayer. So if you are new to daily devotions and you just need somewhere to start, I highly recommend this one because it literally guides you and it leaves you feeling so encouraged, motivated, like you can just literally take on the day. Plus, you're starting the day off with something so positive. So if you're looking for a daily devotion, I highly recommend it. I actually got mine from Amazon. Now, I do check my phone each morning, unfortunately, before I get out of bed, just because I like to check my notifications. Each morning I do make my bed. I don't know, it's just the first thing I do when my feet hits the floor. It's just something about a straight bed. But this morning I remembered that I needed to wash the sheets, so I'm just going to take them off the bed so I can go ahead and wash them. Sanitize their mattress and pillows when they're washing their sheets? No, it's me. I don't know. I just like to make sure they're clean. But I'm gonna go ahead and open up my blinds. Well, those are my blinds, y'all. My curtains, because something about sunlight makes me feel energized and awake. And then I'm just going to go right into the restroom, brush my teeth, wash my face, and bam, just like that, your girl is back to put on my workout clothes. Now that we're dressed, we're going to go ahead and throw these sheets in the washer so they can be washing while I work out, and they should be done washing in time for the dryer by the time we get ready to leave for work. fresh out the shower, it's time to do my facial routine. If you guys want to see more like a morning routine, what all products I use, just let me know in the comment section. I will get that for you. So in the morning time, I just go ahead and put on just my facial products. And as for makeup, I do the bare minimum, as you guys are going to see, because I work with the children. So I just don't feel the desire to just do a full face of makeup just to go work with kids. But yeah, so that's all I do in the morning. It's just my face, and I put on I go ahead and I draw my eyebrows on and mascara. So yeah, let's get to it. Also, please don't talk about me too bad with this dusty mirror. You guys, I did not realize how dusty the mirror was to watching this video, but I promise you next time I will make sure there's no dust on there and we get that thing clean. Well, you guys, that is what all I do in the morning, and that's how I get a lot of stuff done in the morning. So I really hope you guys like this video, and until next time, I'll see you later.